Kayla?
Sydney, I'm
Sydney.
tired.
Okay, it's only 11:17. Get a grip.
I'm
She
sorry.
usually falls asleep at like 10:40, I swear to
do.
God. Sleepover loser. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's make weird noises.
Okay. Wait. Okay, wait. Ooh, that's cool.
Wow, I speak wow.
What?
What? Monday? Monday?
You're like Monday. No, wait.
That'll work. Bum 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 bum.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh no. In my eye.
In my eye.
Ready? I can do that. Wait. That's fine. Get your face.
Oh
my throat. That hurt. Yeah, you're definitely on me. Alright,
bum bum.
That's a really ugly face.
What, my face?
No,
I
mine.
know.
I was like, I should get a shroud and put it over my face.
A shroud. That was one of our
Word
masters.
It was shroud, God. Whatever.
Issue.
I'm hungry. Can we go eat?
Yes, we can. Bye.
Bye.